Alright, welcome to a new series I'm doing called Terrible Unboxing. Now, it's nothing bad, you know, I done stuff. These are just gonna be short little videos of me just taking my knife, one-handed, because I need some old cellular device with. I said it's going to be rough. I meant it. Now, let's see. Oh, that's good. I got it. One-handed unboxing would also be a good title. What we see here, I got Amazon needle, cinema. Now, I've been building up a small collection of these. I guess I'll show that off some other time. Let's just get it. Nice. Some resources here. That didn't do what I thought it would. There we go. Oops, sorry. There we go. Now, not the best Smash character, but I just like the little figure. Yeah. It's neat looking. That's all for today.